What if you could star in your own video without filming anything? OpenAI just launched Sora, a powerful AI app that turns that into reality. Sora is a new text-to-video and video generation tool from OpenAI. It lets you create short AI videos, complete with visuals, voice, and even lip sync from simple prompts. One standout feature: Cameo. You scan your face and voice, and others, with permission, can include you in AI videos. But don't worry, you can revoke access anytime. However, Sora raises serious questions. It may by default allow use of copyrighted characters unless rights owners opt out. And experts suggest OpenAI may have trained Sora on video game footage and other copyrighted content, a potential legal risk. For creators, this is huge. You could produce viral video content from text prompts, without cameras, sets, or actors. But proceed carefully. Always check usage rights, add your own edits, and stay within OpenAI's policies. Is Sora the future of video creation? Let me know in comments, and hit subscribe to stay on top of